everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a simple handloom kind of sari here. This is the handloom style. As you see here, the whole sari is a red plain color sari, and if you notice the border here, this is the border. They have given a darker tone border, and the main reason I love this sari is because of the border, that is the pallu. It's like they have designed an excellent way here. If you notice here, the pallu design is just with a black and red combination, and having this blue color tone on that pallu is really taking this sari to a next level. And if you see this design here, and also the pallu border with having this cream color touch here and there, is like really an excellent way of designing the sari. I'm really amazed the way that weavers design these saris. Usually we buy the saris and sometimes we'll just take it for granted and we like the sari, but the way that they have designed this sari is really excellent. And the way that they have this blue color square pattern, and having this kind of color combinations is really good. We have to be very thankful to all these viewers who are designing this kind of excellent saris, and especially the material is also very good, and the tone here, especially if you look, it's like a subtle colors. It's not even like dark tone colors here. So this is how the overall sari looks, and I'm not sure this is a handloom sari or not, so that's the reason I was telling you this. This is the handloom style sari. Now let's move on to the blouses. So the first blouse here is this black cotton blouse. This is what I've exactly got for this sari. As you notice, they have given a light different tone or different shade, the same border that they have given, but I was surprised the way that the designer designed this blouse in such a way that she added an excellent cloth pattern here. Even though this is not anything, she just added this extra look to it, and the blouse is like really elegant after adding this checks cloth in here. So even though this sari cloth is not, this blouse cloth is not perfectly matching to the sari, but still it took this blouse to a next level. It's a unique pattern, and the front portion of the blouse is this way. And this one is like a light brick color tone. Maybe the lighting is not clear here, but it's a light brick color tone, and it perfectly matched. I got tons of compliments when I wore this sari. So the overall sari blouse pattern is this one. Subscribers, let me know what you all think about this blouse. And now let's move on to the second blouse. This is my black all-time favorite. This one actually with gold pattern. It's a trend, you have this even in purple color. I really wanted the purple color also in this one, and the black can match to more than one design, and especially the way that they have designed the blouse here is really elegant, and it's matching perfectly to our sari tone that we got, this creamish border and everything. And we can easily tell this can also perfectly match to the sari. Subscribers, let me know what you all think about this sari here. And it matched perfectly to the border. The design is perfectly matching, and if you see the front of this blouse, this is how the front usually for handloom saris, boat neck is the style, and if you put the high neck and just the long earrings is also like a trend in now. And I'm just showing you how it matched perfectly here. Now let's move on to the third one. It came with another sari for me, but the reason why I've matched because of this lace design here. It perfectly matched to the sari, meaning the gold pattern here, and especially red and gold always goes very well. Red and gold is perfectly matching. So that's one of the reason I'm sharing the, different kinds of ideas. Subscribers, all these three blouses are one of my favorites. You can even get this kind of designs, and all these three blouses are here. Let me know what you all think. Now let's move on to the jewelry. So the first neck piece that I've selected, This one also, I have to appreciate the designers. The way that they have designed this kind of jewelry is really excellent. Look at this, and the pearls are really good, and they have this unique long kind of pearl design here. Usually pearls are like little shorter, but if you notice here, this has like that long design pattern, and having elephants on both sides of the design, and this beaded neck piece is really excellent. For this I got the earrings, Lakshmi Ammavari earrings, and look at the way that they have designed this entire set, and I'm really surprised, and I'm really very thankful to the designers, which they are designing in a very excellent way, and especially these kind of designs goes very well with handloom sarees, so that's why I love this kind of trend, and this is in trend nowadays. Now let's move on to the second earrings that I'm matching here. These second earrings, actually these ones broke, so I'm just trying to give you guys an idea. This one is together as a set. I love these earrings. I'm not sure why, because it's been with me for a very long time, so these things are broken. So what I'm planning on doing is I can wear these as studs. Maybe I have to break that little bit and wear them as studs, but now here, since I know how to make jewelry, all I did is just attach it. Even if you don't know how to make jewelry also, you can just take the other earrings, hanging ones, and you can easily wear these as well. So just for an idea, I'm just trying to show you also, but this is how it used to look, but now it's looking like this, but it's okay. It's matching perfectly to my sari that I'm sharing here today. Moving on to the next earrings. These are also Lakshmi Ammavari earrings. The reason why that I've selected these is it has that red tone matching perfectly to our sari. Now let's move on to the bangles. So this one, I should call this as a kada. I've been sharing this from previous videos also. This one matched perfectly. And moving on to the second one, I did not remember where I got it, but this is an excellent design. This one is like a very big kada, matched perfectly, and also it matched perfectly to our neck piece set that we got here. And moving on to the last one, this one is a black color bracelet. The reason why I'm sharing this is, like, we got this black pallu, so that's why I thought this one will be a unique and perfectly matching to this sari. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.